Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this video, we're going to go over the primary source document analysis. So you already did part 1 of lesson 4, which was learning basic information about Latin American revolutions. Remember, we learned about the Haitian Revolution and the beginning of Mexican independence. We also learned some important historical context that tells us why these conflicts were an issue. So we're looking at the back of your paper for the OPCVL, where you're going to eventually fill in this. We'll also need your source documents. On one side, you should see Mexico's Plan of Iguala from 1821, and on the other side, you should see this document from Toussaint Louverture from 1802. So the one from Toussaint Louverture, this is from the Haitian Revolution era. And the Mexico Plan of Iguala is, of course, from the Mexican independence movement. You only need to do one. And when we say you only need to do one, we mean you only need to analyze and do the following annotations and analysis on either Mexico or Haiti, not both. Here's what you'll need to do on your source document. First, you'll need to circle and define at least 3 words. You are welcome to do more than 3, but definitely do 3. So you'll circle the word, write the definition right next to it, and then find the next one. Second, you'll need to summarize or paraphrase at least 3 passages. So looking at, for example, this Plan of Iguala, up here, you wouldn't be summarizing this. This is just the historical note or the background information. You'll look at the articles that are included. So you would summarize or paraphrase at least 3 articles. For the Haitian document, you're going to summarize or paraphrase at least 3 of the different phrases or sentences. And then finally, you'll write what you think is the most interesting point that is made at the bottom of that side of the paper. That's it for this lesson. Good luck, and be sure to check with your teacher for more questions.